This is module 1, a comprehensive understanding of Twitter. So I'm going to take you through the essentials of Twitter and give you a basic foundation of knowledge of exactly what you need to do and know in order to be successful on Twitter. I'm going to start with 1.1, creating a Twitter account. Now, many of you may already have a Twitter account. If this is the case, just skip on to 1.2, Twitter newsfeed, where I will explain exactly what the Twitter newsfeed is and give you a basic understanding of how Twitter works as a micro-blogging platform. 1.3 will be Twitter Discover. I'll go through the Twitter Discover features and the main points of it. 1.4 will be other Twitter features. I'm going to walk you through hashtags, trends, the Twitter search functionality, and the direct messages. 1.5 will wrap up with your account settings and your personal preferences for your individual Twitter account. Let's get started, guys.